Hi, welcome back to Her Tool Belt. It is week 5 of the big build-off competition, and ready or not, it is reveal day. But first, I have a little final assembly to do on my table. To help out with the table assembly is this week's sponsor, PowerPro, known for their screws that are engineered for ultimate performance. The finishing touch on the chunky C legs is a small chamfer on the corners. Prepping for leg assembly, I marked the center of the legs, then marked a reference line where the legs will attach to each other. Then I drilled pilot holes on each leg for the screws. I'm using PowerPro 1/4 inch by 4 inch screws to attach the legs into pairs. I can't attach the leg pairs together with screws, so I drill holes for dowels, then I'll bond the leg pairs together with wood glue. Next up is installing leg levelers on the bottom of the feet. I drilled a 1.5 inch diameter hole as deep as the leveler body and felt. Ideally I would have used a Forstner bit, but I didn't have one that's 1.5 inch. Then drilled a hole for the threaded insert as deep as the stem of the leveler. I sprayed the base with Minwax polyurethane in satin. Now I'm using the biscuit joiner to create slots for the Z-clips to attach to the tabletop. Finally, it's time to attach the top with the base. I'm using tabletop Z-clips with number 6 by 5/8 inch Power Pro screws. The Z-clips attach the tabletop to the base, but they allow for seasonal movement of the wood. I'm super excited for this table to finally come together. I've tried out new techniques, new materials, made plenty of mistakes, and have had a blast building it. I will have build plans posted on my site soon for this table. It'll have the step-by-step instructions, templates, sketches, etc. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Thanks again for watching this series. I would love it if you'd please subscribe to my channel. All of the tables in this big build-off competition turned out amazing, and it's so great to see all the different styles of the creators. So I want to know, leave me a comment below which of the tables is your favorite.